OEM 6L2-14302-02-00. Carburetor assembly from Ice Marine is a vital fuel system component designed to deliver the perfect air-fuel mixture for smooth, efficient combustion in Yamaha 20 and 25 HP two-stroke outboards. As part of a dual carburetor setup, it works alongside the upper carburetor to ensure balanced fuel distribution, stable idling, and responsive throttle performance. Built from corrosion-resistant aluminum, it is engineered to withstand harsh marine conditions while maintaining consistent fuel flow. This updated version replaces earlier models while offering the same direct fit, making it an ideal solution to restore performance and reliability in your outboard engine. Ice Marine, based in Taiwan, provides premium aftermarket marine parts you can trust. Visit iceboatparts.com, email seller@icemarine.cc, or WhatsApp +886 966 468 632.